Back to the ball game time, mga bro. It's a game between Eva Selection and SMHL, or Hyundai Samo, battle for third. So here comes Alogon. Alogon to Soriano, penetrates. Oh, nice D by Eva Selection. By Evas, yan. So Limpin penetrates. Magaling talaga to si Limpin sa depensa. So naagaw, na-anticipate ni Kalma. Ganda ng galaw, mga bro. Iniwasan ang depensa ni Joey Gamboa. Ayan. Balik sa Eva yung bola. And 2 points from Kalma. Hindi lang pang tira. Pang AR Cam Soriano once again. Parang tinatapo ng bola. Tinatapo ng Eva ang goal position nila so far. So hindi pa na-establish ang kanilang opensa ng mabuti. So ayan. Dahil doon nagkaroon ng chance ang Hyundai Samo para i-take advantage ng situation ng Eva Selection. So here comes Soriano. First free throw, no good. Soriano is a scoring machine for this season. Score of 96 points pataas. Siya yung pinakamataas and candidate for most valuable player. Soriano once again, and Soriano is a small forward. Ayan, 27, 28 rebound, but ang nagmamadali sila. Reset na shot clock. Here comes Alvarez. Drop pass. Ang ganda ng pasahan, pero mas maganda yung depensa ng Hyundai Samo. So naagaw nung they're diving for the ball. Ayan, kasi nga this is for battle for third and last na lang na laro ng MFOBL for this season. So they're diving for the ball. So there's a whistle from the referee. Here comes Gamboa. Gamboa to Dikin. Ayan. Wow, nice D. Si Dikin ay isa rin sa hinahangakong player sa ligang ito. Napakabait na manlalaro at grabe, mataas tumalon. Yung alang, pag siya sa kanya yung bola, dalawa tatlo yung nag-double team sa kanya. Soriano penetrates, no good. Nice D by Eva. Rebound taken and goes to Alvarez. Penetrates, drop pass. Grabe yung depensa ng Hyundai Samo talaga. Here comes Soriano versus Joey Gamboa. Soriano penetrates, yes. Iniwasan yung dalawang tao dun. Ganyan ka-deadly si Soriano pagdating sa open court. Nag-time out muna ang Eva Selection. They need to regroup. Pag ganito kasi yung mangyayari, wala silang dyan. So the score is 8-2 in favor of Hyundai Samo. SHML. So a 6-point lead only. So pumasok na si Arwin. Yan, nakascore. Last a foul. Nakabingwit. Ang ganda ng galaw doon. Nakabingwit. Yan ang coming from a timeout and a score. Napakaganda niya. Isang magandang sinyalis na nagre-regroup ang Eva Selection. So, another one. No good. Top. Yan yung isa sa maganda rin na if you cannot take the rebound, just tap it to your kasamahan. Ayan, another 2 points from Jimel Alogon. Si Alogon minsan lang naglalaro to for 2 games lang yata sa season or 3 games. Nice move. Napakaganda ng galaw ni Dikin. Pang highlights yun. So ayan na, unti-unti nang nakakabangon ng Eva Selection dito. Ayan, another miscommunication, and the referee called is in favor of Eva Selection. So, ayan, chance ng Eva Selection na makaka-tie sa ball game na to. Here comes Eva. Penetrates. No good. But there's a whistle from the referee. Ayan, inaatake na sila. Inaatake na ng Eva Selection ang depensa ng Hyundai Samo. So, last year, ang Hyundai Samo is nagwagi bilang pangatlo. At ang kalaban is the same. Ngayong taon na ito makakabawi kaya ang Eva Selection. Ang Eva Selection dati is Team Mamba. Ayan, Mamba Bayaba. So there's a whistle. It's an offensive foul. Gustong araruhin ng Eva yung depensa ng Hyundai Samo. Ayan po ang ating presidente, si Ate Sonia Ramos. So here comes the director or the point guard of SMHL. And Soriano penetrates, doing his job. Alogon tries for 3, no good. And rebound taken by walang iba kundi si Dick Deakin. Mataas kasing tumalon talaga yan si Dick Deakin eh. So there's a result from the referee. And the score is ayan si Ate Rose, yung ating Vice President. Na siyang nag-aasikaso ng ticket para sa raffle natin mamaya. So tries for 3, bang! Joey Gamboa doing what he does and doing what is good. Ayan, nakaisang 3 points na si Gamboa. And candidate for best shooter of the league, Joey Gamboa from Pampanga. Alogon under the basket, Doria. And there's a whistle. It's a traveling violation called by referee. And our referee from Seoul. So Arwin, number 27. And then Gamboa once again tries for 3, namimingwit, but the referee hindi pwede yan sa kanya. Hindi binigay ng referee. Here comes once again Soriano. Kanan na naman. Kaya kung ikaw ang nagtidepensa kay Soriano, huwag mong ibigay yung kanan. Ayan na naman yung mga big 3 ng Eva Selection. Drop pass na naman sila. But look at the defense of Hyundai Samo. Pero sabi ni Doria, nakatayo lang naman ako, rep. Makita mo nakatayo pero naka-slide, slant siya eh. Kaya tinawagan ng referee. Okay, so pag ang body mo kahit nakatayo ka, then you're leaning towards doon sa binabantayan mo, is talagang tatawagan ng referee ng blocking foul yan. Ayan. So here comes Arwin. Ito magaling din na bata to eh. Yan nga lang, siyempre trabaho kasing punta rito, hindi basketball, hindi katulad na sa Pilipinas tayo na araw-araw naglalaro tayo ng basketball. Eh dito araw-araw ang hawak mo eh yung trabaho, kung saan ka, kung ano yung skills na trabaho mo sa company. Number 21. Ayan. Short J, no good. Tinan mo naman yung pitaw, sidestep. There's another one, rebound na naman, galing talaga. So that's Dick Deakin. Taas kasing tumalo ni Dick Deakin. Ito siguro nung kapanahunan ni Dick Deakin sa Pilipinas, sobrang galing maglaro nito. Kahit nga dito ngayon magaling, kaso lang talaga siyempre OFW kami, bihira lang kami talaga makakapaglaro dito kasi nga we are tired sa trabaho namin. Walang oras sa paglalaro, kada linggo lang or Sabado, minsan hindi pa, minsan pinipili pa yung sumama sa tropa. Another free throw, Dick Deakin. Yes, Dick Deakin is a small forward also. So mga kalaban niya si Soriano sa best small forward of the Alogon. Double team, tries for 3, SMHL, no good. Another rebound by Limpin, back to Limpin, Gamboa for 3. Bang! Ayan. Pangalawa na ni Gamboa. So, during the playoff against Luspin, ang kanyang 3 points off night si Gamboa dun. So, nag-try din ang Hyundai Samo na tumira ng 3. Gamboa once again tries for 3, but the defense is there. Arwin, no good. Ayan, nagpapaulan din ng 3 yan eh. Here comes number 27, intercepted by Dick Deakin, and there's a lost ball. The ball goes to, and the referee decided to give the ball to Hyundai Samo. Ayan, shout out din sa mga referee natin. Referee Ralph De Los Reyes. Ayan, Alogon sidestep. What a nice move. Napagandang galaw nun. Pinoy steps or Euro steps, basta mounted. Bumawi sa kabila, ganun din ang galaw, sidestep din. Dick Deakin once again, offensive rebound, but it's because of the defense, no? Nagkaroon ng traveling violation. Diyan natin makikita na napakalaking bagay, no, na someone took the rebound, ayun, lalo na yung offensive rebound. Huwag talagang pabayaan. Here comes a Logan between the leg crossover, and wow, ang ganda ng pasahan. See, unselfish play by Hyundai Samo. Maraming wala sa Hyundai Samo today. Si The King wala. Isa ring magaling na point guard or veteranong point guard. Ayan. So, ang score natin hindi pa napapakita. Mag-time out ipakita natin. Ayan. Miss and again. Ayan, kita mo mapapansin yung mga bro na yung mga free throw ng mga players natin. Hindi ma-shoot, hindi masyadong kuhan kasi kumbaga, basketball is not a priority for us here in Korea. It is just for fun. At least nagkakaroon tayo ng ibang libangan. At yan ang purpose ng MFO, para mabigyan ng libangan ng mga Pilipino. Alright, and no good. Magaling yung galaw ng patang yun. Ayan, here comes Jeff Alvarez. Once again, short J, bang! Nothing but net from number 0, 11 bound 0. Hyundai Samo's ball, number 18, which is Soriano. Dalawang tao na naman. And there's a blocking foul committed by number 0. Ayan. Impounding the ball is Soriano again. Alogon, no good. Rebound taken by Limpin. Grabing rebound ni Limpin dito. Nag-usap sila ni Joey na ipasa mo agad. Huwag mong i-dribble ng dalawang kamay, baka tawagan ka ng double dribble violation. So it's a penalty. Ayan, situation. Here comes Limpin. Yes, another 1 point from Limpin. This is Kuya Dani and Mythic Marcenas, no, ng Laguna, Mythic Boy, together with our Mokpo Filipino organization president, Ate Sonia Ramos, which is napakasipag. Ayan. This is just the first half of the ball game. Soriano, trap pass, floater. Ayan, once again, Gamboa to Alvarez, looking for his teammate. Long pass. Ayan, here comes number 1. Number 1 ba? Sidestep to number 0. Limpin, no good. Rebound taken by Dick Deakin once again. No good na naman, Dick Deakin. Ayan. Number 11 pala, hindi pala si Dick Deakin. Ayan.